I have a razer blade Stealth from late 2016, 13.3 inches, and I needed to replace a fan because it made noise, and I got stuck with these white things. I didn't know how to manage this, but then I find it out because I was trying. So now this cable is released. I will put it back because I already got a new replacement fan. So now this is released, and I am putting this back. I'm not good at it, but this video is made for people who are not good at it. I've never done this before. Now when I want to lock it, I will press this white stuff towards me. Now it's done. This cable is locked, and when I want to release it, I will push it away from me. Yes, that's it, and now I can release this cable so that I could replace the fan. But as I said, it's already replaced. So I'm locking it back. Yeah, now it's done.